Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about non-stock material procurement. There are some indirect materials we procure for consumption purpose. It means we consume those materials immediately upon purchase. So for those materials, we don't maintain inventory on quantity and value basis, such as stationery items, office items, or any consumable items. So this type of indirect material or this type of non-stock materials we create with the material type NLAG. So in system we'll see this NLAG material type configuration setting. So if we go to GI system, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, in this go to logistic general, material master, basic settings. Under basic setting, go to material types, define attributes of material types, click on execute, click on position. Here search the material type NLAG. The description of NLAG material type is non-stock material. Just select this material type, click on details button. So here you can see in the user department section, for this material type, accounting view, purchasing view, basic data department, okay, these views are selected. Storage view is not selected because we are with this material type we are creating material for consumption purpose. We will not store this material in our inventory, that's why the storage view is not selected. Also here you can see external purchase order is allowed. Now double click on this quantity / value updating, click on position, enter your valuation area. So let's say valuation area is 1711 and our material type is NLAG. So here you can see for this valuation area material type combination, quantity checkbox and value update checkbox is not selected. It means if this value update checkbox is not selected, it means if we try to create purchase requisition or purchase order, then account assignment category will be mandatory, because as this value update checkbox is not selected, it means we are purchasing this material for consumption purpose, and as we are purchasing this material for consumption purpose, that's why account assignment category becomes mandatory in purchase requisition or in purchase order. And also there's one more point, as we are purchasing this material for consumption purpose, that's why system will post material value to consumption GL account, not to inventory GL account. And this quantity update checkbox is not selected, it means on good receipt system will not store stock into inventory, as we are purchasing this material for consumption purpose. So on good receipt that material will be consumed immediately, that's why this quantity update checkbox is also not selected. So this is the material type configuration setting for NLAG material type. Now what we'll do with this material type, we'll create one material for testing purpose. So if you want to create material master, then you can execute transaction code MM01. Here I will enter some code externally, 1711 NLAG MAT1. Industry time setting as a mechanical engineering. Here select material type as a NLAG, press enter. Here you can see organization level, here it is showing only plant field, store location field is not coming because that quantity update checkbox is not set. It means this material will not be stored under storage location. So here we select our plant code 1711, click on continue. I will put description same as this material code. In the base unit of measure field, I will select base unit of measure as a each. Here select any material group, let's say I will select material group as a 01. Randomly I will select this material group, or for the time I'm just selecting as a lab items. go to next view. So in purchasing view, okay, here you can enter purchasing group 001. Go to next view. Okay, I don't want to enter index. In accounting one view, here we'll select valuation class. So here I am selecting valuation class. Okay, these are some valuation class maintained by B00. So I am selecting existing valuation class. Price control indicator, here we'll select as a moving average price, and here we'll select some, or no need to enter moving price. Click on enter moving average price 100. So we have created material 1711-NLAG MAT1. Now let me open this material again. Okay. So in basic data 1 we enter this value. Let me change matter group. Basic data 1. Oh, in purchasing group we entered purchasing group 001. That's it. Now we'll create purchase requisition. So you can create purchase requisition from here GUI, or you can create from Fury. So what we'll do, we'll go to Fury. Okay, we'll use this application manage purchase requisition professional. Click on create. Okay, here I am just start material PR. Okay, add item section, click on create, click on material. Okay, item category standard. Now here we'll select our material code 1711-NLAG MAT1. Okay, press, and here plant code is 1711. Press enter. Okay, here some error message system is showing. Just click on account assignment mandatory for 1711. Just go to navigation. Account assignment mandatory for material 1711-NLAG MAT1. Okay, although we enter material code, but still system is expecting to enter account assignment category. Why? Because we checked in material type configuration setting, right? For this material type NLAG, quantity update and value update checkbox is not selected. As value update checkbox is not selected, it means this material we are purchasing for consumption purpose, and for that, okay, this account assignment category is mandatory. So here we'll select account assignment category K. Okay, here in desired vendor I will select some vendor 171173001. Now scroll down. In quantity field, here we will enter quantity, let's say 10 quantity. Then in valuation price field, okay, here we entered valuation price as 100, or we'll keep price as a 10 USD. Scroll down. In account assignment section, okay, here table contains some error. If we go to this navigation, okay, here system is expecting us to enter cost center code. So here I am entering cost center code 1711 cost 1. Click on apply. Okay, now the error has gone. If you scroll down, okay, here in the purchase organization field, here I will enter purchase organization 1711 purchasing group. Okay, this information came from our material master. So all informations are entered. Click on apply. Yeah, there is no any error message. Click on create. Yeah, in pop so okay, we have only warning message, no any error message, so we can click on create button. So with this, here you can see system. Okay, we have created one purchase requisition 1000153 Now we'll convert this purchase requisition from to purchase order. So for this, we'll use this application process purchase requisition. Okay, you can search purchase requisition from here. Click on search button. Why it is not showing? Let me go back to GUI. Yeah, here you can see at item level approval details tab, here it is showing this purchase requisition is pending for approval or it is ready for approval. It means okay, this purchase requisition has to approve. So we'll go back to our my inbox application. Yeah, this is the purchase requisition, right? 1000153 So this purchase requisition has to approve. So I'm just click on approve and submit. That's it. So purchase requisition has been approved. Now just click on back button and we'll again execute that application process purchase requisitions. Okay, search that purchase requisition again. Click on search. Now it is showing okay the purchase or requisition. So here you can see process status is not edited, and once I select this purchase requisition checkbox, here it will show we against this purchase requisition we can create contract or RFQ or purchase order. So we want to create purchase order, so I am clicking on create purchase order. Purchase order still contains some faulty item, net price greater than 0. Close this. Why this price is 0? Click on edit. No. Okay, go. Okay, here purchase order status is approved. Go to edit. Okay, here all details are entered. Now what we'll do, we'll use create purchase order advanced. And from this application, okay, we'll try to convert PR to PO, because here we need to enter price manually in the PO. Here you can see this system is expecting us to enter price, so here I am entering price manually. No message issued during check, so click on save. So our purchase order has created 454 times 0 1855. Let me open this purchase order here. Go to header section. See here for this purchase order also workflow has triggered, flexible workflow has triggered, and it has to be approved by this approver, any one of this approver. So let me open one more session. Okay, I will go to my inbox application. Okay, so this is the purchase order. Okay, we'll select and click on approve. Okay, so purchase order has approved. If we go back to previous screen, open this purchase order again. Okay, here status will show as a purchase order release. So now next action is goods receipt. So now what we'll do, we just select this PO and we'll perform goods receipt from here. For this, okay, execute application post goods movement. Okay, here selecting action as a good receipt, reference document purchase order. Okay, we will paste that purchase order number and movement type is 101. Press enter. Yeah, so all details fetched from purchase order. So if you go to item section, here observe all details like material number, quantity. Yeah, so quantity is 10. In where tab, if you just go down here, it will show plant code only, store location is not available. It means, okay, after a good receipt, okay, this material will not be stored in inventory, it will be consumed immediately. In purchase order tab, purchase order data tab, here you can observe purchase order number. Partner tab, here you can see vendor number. In account assignment tab, here you can see cost center and other details. So if all details are okay, then okay, we can select item okay checkbox, then click on check button. Okay, document is okay, it means okay, we can do good receipt. So click on post. So material document has been posted. So if you go to previous screen, just refresh this screen. Okay, I'm minimizing this header section, expand this item detail. Okay, here if you go to purchase order history tab, so under purchase order history tab, it will show GR document. Okay, if you open this document, go to header data, doc info tab, click on affine documents. So from here you can see accounting document. So double click on this accounting document number. So here just go to change layout. Okay, search transaction. Not this payment transaction, actually it's a transaction key. Let me scroll down. Yeah, transaction. Move this column towards left side, click on continue. So here it will show the transaction keys. So here you can see what system did. System posted material value to this expense GL consumption GL account, and this GL account system determined from the purchase order. This KBS is a transaction key. What it does, okay, for this KBS transaction key, there is no any GL account maintained in OBYC GL account mapping setting. It refers GL account assigned in purchase order. In purchase order, this GL account is maintained, right? So again, this GL account system posted this material value, and this GRR clearing account system determined through this WRX transaction key. So this is the accounting entry for this GR document. So after good receipt, so next action is from account payable team. So what they do again, this invoice, okay, they do invoice. So if we go to create supplier invoice, okay, here I'm setting advanced. It's similar to our GUI transaction, Myro GUI transaction. So here I will enter invoice data as a, okay, in the reference field I'm just putting some external reference number. In purchase order field I'm entering purchase order number, hit enter. So it will copy all details from purchase order. So all details looks okay. So select item, okay, check box. Okay, here jurisdiction code, it should determine from our plant code. The company here it is not coming. Let me check. For the time being, let me do one thing. I'm just going RBKP. This is the invoice header table. Here, let me check if I posted any invoice document under this company code. Yeah, I have posted previously. So let me open this document in MIR4. MIR4 is for display invoice. So earlier we posted invoice. Go to offset table. Control F. Here we'll search field tax. Okay, here the jurisdiction is missing. Let me search for this company code. For this company code, no entries. So send. Control F. Control F. Let me check next. Oh, yeah, it is there. So we'll deselect all. We'll select this field only, and these two fields only. Okay, let me copy this. Yeah, university contains some messages, no issues. Here, okay, in amount field, I haven't entered amount, so here I am just entering tax amount. Yes, balance is 0, so it means okay, and here it shows green. It means okay, there is no any error. Here, from if you click on simulate button, okay, here it will show the the entries, okay, GL accounts, okay, against which this amount, okay, is going to post. Click on post. Here with this, okay, invoice will be posted. So if we go back to purchase order, just open this purchase order again, go to purchase order history. Yeah, we are already in purchase order history, so here you can see invoice document, and if you click on this invoice document, from here also you can check your accounting document. Click on this follow document, here it will show respective accounting entries. Okay, so this is about non-stock material procurement. And also one more thing, if you want to check, okay, as we have posted GR, okay, we'll just check, okay, if the stock is appearing or not in MMB. If you go to MMB, if you put that material code here and enter plant code, see, it is not showing anything. It means because in material type configuration setting we already saw, right, we already found the quantity update checkbox is not selected. It means okay, after go reset, okay, material will not be received in store. Okay. It will be directly used for consumption purpose. So this is about non-stock material procurement. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye bye.